So today I woke up and first off I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, wait, what the? I mean, I haven't slept in like, I don't know. I haven't slept in about 5 days or something. Or maybe like, I'm being exaggerated, I can't say 5 days or something, but I just haven't slept well. I've been sleeping like at 4 a.m. I've been waking up like at 9. I've been trying to do a healthy lifestyle and going into the gym and stuff, but it's really not working out for me. Today was like, I look like a literal potato.
A potato, right?
Yeah, I live in Miami, you guys know that, and it is also Ultra weekend. I want to see if I can finesse my way into the Ultra. If I make it, you guys will see it on my page or on my Instagram or on a video. I'm not sure I can make it, but maybe I can. Anyways, today I will transform for my fake Ultra. Just kidding. I'm just gonna transform as I'm gonna do a transformation. I'm gonna look much better than what I look right now. This is exactly how I woke up. I mean, I took a shower and stuff. I'm not that dirty. Anyways, we should get started into this transformation. I kind of want to show you guys an outfit and anything, like an outfit and everything. This is a pretty long intro, so let's get going. I start with my brows. Like, honestly, I don't know how people cannot start with their brows. This is like my first thing. Like, if I see my brows are good, then I'm like, okay, you know, we're at some point. I just use my Benefit, precisely my brow pencil. Also, this is what I get gifted. My friends give me a lot of things and it's fun. So sometimes I don't even know if this is my color, but I just pretend it is. You know, I go to the left and I'm like, this is my color. This is 4.5, it's me. I just literally just fill it in. So might as well just skip through it.
3 hours later.
This time, like my brow lady, like the person I go to, really like fucked up my brows, if I can say that. Like, honestly, I asked him for thinner brows because I kind of like sometimes when I look like I have thinner brows, I feel like it just like refines me. It refines me. Yes, conceal it. Yeah. My favorite part, I feel like I'm erasing all my worries away. Transformations are so nice because it's like, wow, did I really become that? Like, am I really meant to be like that? Like, that's insane. And then you wake up the next day and like, no, I'm so ugly bitch. Alrighty. I'm looking mighty fine, I must say. Awesome, we're done with brows. A few brows. Now it's a step that I like to call the priming step. I usually use any primer that I like. And today I'm liking the Professional by Benefit. Now just rub it on your pores and pretend they don't exist. And hopefully they won't. They're still there. Lately I haven't been using foundation. Lately I just use concealer because I don't like the texture on my face. Like, I've tried so many foundations. I really have. And everything just like sits on my skin. It just doesn't feel right and nobody compliments me. And I like people, lately I've been liking when people tell me like, oh, I like how your skin looks. So I don't know, like, I'm just trying to make my skin look like skin lately and not like makeup, if that makes sense. Like, that's my approach to life right now. Yesterday, we went for brunching at this place, at this restaurant. Service was bad. I think I just carry like a bad luck service thing. Like, literally everywhere I go, people just give me bad service and I don't know why. It's like people sit me in like the worst tables, so it's like the air is like flowing in my face, or like, you know, nobody sees you. So like if you're in the back of the restaurant, like literally nobody sees you, so like nobody comes for you. And like, you know, I'm just like there sitting waiting for hours for my pasta and it never came. Honestly, we went just for the mimosas. Like, we literally just went for unlimited mimosas. And this place had mimosas for $10 with a purchase of like your entree and stuff. So we went and we're like, okay, we know it might be a little bad, but like it doesn't matter. We're just gonna like have fun with it and like F the place.
Like, fuck it, like, let's just do it.
Like, the service was terrible. The lady, like, I think she just hated me. Like, honestly, like, I didn't do anything to her. I was just like, please, like, you know, can I have like a quiche? And she was just like, she gave me a cold quiche, but I don't like complaining because I'm not that type of person, so it gets me scared to complain and like to say anything to anybody, because like I think I have like, I don't think I have social anxiety, because that's not it, but it's like anxiety for like for saying no. Like, I always have to say yes and I always have to comply with everything and agree. So when I can't agree with something, it just like tortures me. And then like I can't tell the lady like I'm having a bad time with my quiche because I feel bad. And yeah, that's my story of brunching, and we got drunk and it was fun. Oh wait, I'm getting a text. My skin doesn't look that bad, but it doesn't look that great. I feel like it needs a bit more of like coverage. If I had my NARS Creamy Concealer, everything would make sense right now. Okay, I found my NARS Creamy Concealer, but I'm gonna have to like. Usually I do my eyes first, but I have this thing that I don't like how eye makeup looks on me currently. It's like this thing. So it's like, since I don't like it, I'm not wearing it. So I'm not wearing it. What the fuck? I'm gonna grab my Prep and Prime from MAC. I squirted it out a lot. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Boom.
I'm blending it out. Okay, so hopefully I kind of brighten myself up a bit more. So this is just like a little tiny brush. And I'm gonna grab, this is a little palette that has all these colors. And I'm gonna grab the brown one. And then I'm gonna go in only on my lash lines. It's just like for my lash line. I love putting like a lash line. Oh my god, I did not expect that. I really did not expect. What do I do now? Okay, I just have to do it carefully then. No, it's literally creating like the biggest excess. I don't want like a defined line, like I just want a kind of like a smudged out version of a liner, like something like cool and like wingy. Also, I texted the Ultra guy, no response from him yet. You know, every time that you have like a really big thing to do and then like you're like, okay, today I'm gonna do my makeup like in the best way possible, like I'm gonna do crazy good makeup, and then like it's like the worst makeup of your life. Doesn't that ever happen to you? Like it always happens to me. Like when I'm going nowhere, I look like a fucking movie star. Like I look like Kim Kardashian came to Miami, stayed in my house, slept over here, and woke up in my bed, and that was me. And then when I have something so important to do, like I have to say something like super important, like I have to do something like so important, like so important. You know what? I look like shit. I'm so sad right now. This is not what I wanted. This is not what I planned. And I just gotta say, I do not understand. I'm ready to powder. I'm ready to set that. I just press and press, and it just makes me look like a matte batch. That's why I really like powder, because it makes me look more airbrushed than usual. I don't have my favorite cream blush right now because I ran out of it. It's from a Korean brand, and I really love that cream blush, and it's like powerful. I like to like diffuse my blush like this. Hold up. First off, I'm gonna use this one, which is one by MAC, and it's more pinky and more rosy, but the color will go away. I just like to put it like if it was like a flush. I look crazy right now, but hold up, like I'll fix this. And then I put blush on my nose, teeny tiniest bit, also a little bit here. If you tell me one thing that I can't live without, what am I even saying? If you tell me that I can't live without one thing, and I'm like, what thing is it? What thing will you make me not live with? And then people say
Like, is it contour? Like, I'm gonna take away contour from your eye.
and I'd be like, don't take away the contour. This is my favorite contour currently, and it's been for a while already. It's called Cotton Contour by Misha. It's a Korean brand. It's honestly, this Misha Cotton Contour has saved my life. Why? Because it's like such a great color. Like it's not warm and it's not cool. It's just in the middle. It's like a nice, like, I don't know, it just looks like really nice, and I love it. I'm gonna make Bella Hadid cheekbones, you know? Like that's what I strive for. Like when I wake up in the morning, it's like, what do you want to look like today? Bella Hadid, because she has literally the best cheekbones of life. And yeah, I'm trying to imitate that, even though I don't even look remotely close to Bella Hadid. So this is what I try to do every morning. look a little bit, look like 1% like Bella Hadid. That contour made a difference. Before I was like an egg, and now I'm like a contoured egg. I'm gonna use my finger to create a smaller nose. Honestly, like one of my goals is to like move to LA. I really want to move to LA. I don't even know why to talk about this right now, but I feel like I want to talk about it with you guys. Like one of my goals in life is like to move to LA, and I feel like for me it would be so amazing if I could do that. I don't know, I've always loved LA, and I love like the feeling or the vibe I have when I'm there, the people there, the opportunities there, and it's so important. Like I really wish and I hope I can do it one day, and I can be independent and do it by myself. And I really hope that you guys do that too, like whatever you dream and whatever you want to do. I don't even know what I'm getting deep down, like with the nose contour right now. I'm getting deep. Oh my god. The shadows, thank you shadows, you're making me look weird. I think I'm like almost on the big face and stuff. I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I feel like that is like the biggest thing for me, at least, like doing my eyelashes. Just like once I put mascara on them and I lift them, it literally changes everything. It changes my life, it changes the world, it changes you, it changes update with the ultra thing. Still for right now, I think it's not happening. Like my lips, this is like my area that I'm insecure about, because I want to get lip injections and everybody tells me no, you can't do it, don't do it, it will change your face, it will change the way you look. And I'm like, okay, I won't do lip injections. I really can't stand overlining my lips anymore. Like I just don't want to anymore, but I still have to. So I found a new trick. Maybe you guys know it already, but for me it's new. So I'm gonna overline, but instead of overlining like outwards, it's inwards. So I start from the bottom of my lip, so like this, and I try to not overline as well, like as much, like just stay within your own line. So I basically overlined it right now. Okay, I usually do this. This is my favorite lip chapstick thing ever. It's like pinky color. I like putting it on the inside of my lips. My lighting kind of like is weird. Yeah, I'm almost done. All I need now is highlighter. For highlighter, I'm literally like loving this highlighter. This is the ColourPop highlighter in Flexitarian. It is so shiny and pretty. But why is it not working? It's so shiny and pretty, but it's not working. Excuse me? I think I'm done. Let me let my hair loose because I need to see what we're gonna work with. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the whole transformation. This is my finished makeup look. It's kind of like natural and kind of like, I didn't try so hard even though it's been an hour. So now I'm just gonna grab my hair straightener. I'm gonna straighten my hair a little bit, just like the front part of it. I'm gonna come back with a whole new outfit, guys, and the transformation is done. Ultra, here I come. And I'm back, and there has been a definite change in my look. I look much better. Honestly, I put this green jacket because if I'm going to ultra, I was thinking like, what's the ultra thing? Like, what's the most ultra thing I can find? And what screams ultra? Like, literally a neon green jacket. But then I was wondering, and I'm like, wait, I'm gonna be really, really hot. Probably, most likely, I'm gonna be super hot. But I'll tell you if it works out. Maybe I'll just, you know, have a heat stroke in ultra. And this could be a possible ultra outfit for today. I don't know, this green jacket just screams like ultra, or like any music festival, or like, look at me, I'm here type of thing. And obviously not these pants. But like the jacket, I think it's like, it could be a thing. I don't know. I don't know what I did, but honestly, the result wasn't that bad. I straightened my hair, I came back with my hair straight. This is kind of like the outfit that I put together. But if I find a better outfit, I'll totally take a picture with that one and I'll show you guys in the video. But thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. I appreciate that you guys are watching me. If you've supported me throughout my career and my music, I appreciate it really, 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 really so much. Thank you guys for being here. And if you're new to this channel and you just came across this video, I also thank you for getting this far, and thank you for watching this video. because I appreciate that you and I are having a conversation right now, even if you don't think that we are, because we are, because I'm talking to you through a camera and a lens, and yeah. Are we having a conversation? I don't even. Okay, whatever. Thank you guys for watching today, and if you guys want to watch any other videos, go ahead and check out my channel if you guys want to watch, and if you want to subscribe, you can also subscribe and like this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Love you.
Y'all go better, y'all go better when I get this butter. Y'all go better when I get this butter. Y'all go better when I get this butter.